All right, this is a quick video on how to do the door seal on a BMW X5. And this is the old door seal here. And you can see at the bottom, from when you drag your foot in, it kicks over and kind of shredded it. So this is the driver's side door, but you can actually use the seal from the passenger door also. I would just, that sharp corner, I would put that sharp corner in the same spot up here, because that's where you'll have the most difficulty putting it on. But you can actually pull this seal, you can pull this off past the plastic here, you know, the door panels, and you can pull it out of there, and there's a small space that you're able to push it back in. But if you look, part of the seal has to slip behind there, so you just make sure you do that. You'll see even here it slips underneath and the panel goes above it. So just make sure you get that underneath, and you'll see the panels will fall into place once you get it on there. But yeah, you can use the driver's side for the passenger side. Just, you know, just use the tight turn up top. And when this just pops off. This just pops off here, and then the rest of it you just work it around. And that's it. The dealership wanted $700 to do this. I got the seal used online for about what was it, 35 bucks, 36 bucks. And really wasn't a big deal to put it on, and it feels like it's securely in place. I mean, you just punch it on there, you know, make sure it's on there good, and you know, make sure you tuck those edges in along here. You know, you'll see you can just run like one of these along there, just, and delicately, you know, just tuck it in. I have to wipe some of these marks off, but yeah, it'll just go right on there, snap into place. You don't have to take the whole car apart, so not a big deal.